world is waking up to China's true intention to dominate 5G. Namaste India, I'm Deepak Butola and here's some news from across the world. Undersecretary of State for Economic Growth, Energy and the Environment Keith Krach told reporters that Huawei's deal with the telecommunication operators around the world are evaporating because countries are only allowing trusted vendors of 5G networks. It seems the world is finally waking up to China's intentions to dominate the 5G telecommunication field amidst the coronavirus pandemic, unrest in Hong Kong, standoff with India and other efforts by Beijing to conceal, coerce and co-opt the world, a top American diplomat has said. Spanish multinational telecommunication company Telefónica states in its digital manifesto that security is paramount. Just a few weeks ago, the big three telcos of Canada decided to partner with Ericsson and Nokia because Canadian public opinion was overwhelmingly against allowing Huawei into 5G networks. Undersecretary Krach further stated that in addition to Telefónica, we have seen the momentum in favor of securing 5G with Orange in France, Reliance in India, Telstra in Australia, SK and KT in Korea, Cosmote in Greece, NTT in Japan and O2 in the United Kingdom. The more countries, companies and citizens ask whom they should trust with the most sensitive data, the most obvious the answer becomes not the Chinese Communist Party surveillance state, the US diplomat added. Clearly, the Chinese Communist Party sees much more than their financial benefit to having Huawei embedded in fraudulent 5G networks. I think it is no wonder why so many countries are re-evaluating their partnership with Chinese firms and standing up to the Chinese Communist Party's aggression like Australia, he said. For too long, Beijing bullied other countries and threatened retaliation if it did not get its way. China is a big marketplace and consequences of retaliation are real. We have all had experience with bullies in our lifetime, and if there is one thing we know about bullies, it's that they back down when they are confronted. And they are really back down when your real friends are standing by your side. Krach added, China is feeling its 5G dream of global domination suddenly slipping through its fingers. That is all for now. For news that's absolute truth, please log into www.insamachar.com. Good night and take care.